Hello guys!
Hello!
We're going to check out some stuff like Lego Star Wars figures, yeah?
Yeah. He has the Stormtrooper. I have Kylo Ren.
And this one is?
I don't know.
Those three figures we're going to open, build, and then we're gonna have some fun with them.
Yeah.
We can start!
Yeah. You know how?
Sammie, who are they, our guests actually?
My cousins.
Yep!
Oh! Look at this cake. Nice.
Hard to take it from the inside?
Yes.
And we got them! Ready!
Steady.
Yeah!
Ready, steady, go!
Just a second. First, let's see them. That's the Stormtrooper with two guns. And I heard you can shoot with them, right?
Yes.
Can you show us? But not into the camera. Here, maybe. My hand.
Ready, steady.
Wow!
That's the Kylo Ren.
Yeah, another figure. And what he's... Oh, he can move his arm, yeah?
Yeah.
He has something here on his back, look. When you move it, the arm is moving. Cool. And he can dance as well. La 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 la. Okay, and the last one. Very cool. He can shoot too.
Yes.
He wants to shoot my hand. Okay. Oh, very cool. So we're gonna have some crash test with them.
Yes.
Let's try. That will be the first crash test, guys.
Yes.
Nerf Mega versus Lego Star Wars guy. Who is first?
Me.
Okay, let's do this. So we got the first test. You ready?
Ready.
Okay, you need to reload. You missed! Do it again. What was the situation? The head is off? Just the head was off?
Yes.
So it's a good one.
Yeah.
It's time for the next test.
Kylo Ren first test.
Okay, we're gonna use this
Okay.
treadmill and stairs. Start. And it's going here, yeah? Is it? Oh!
Go. Go.
Oh! What happened, Sammie?
Only head.
Just head only. Very nice, actually. We need to do another test.
Yeah, just a little bit quicker.
Okay, we're gonna do this again, but let's make some.
Speed.
Yeah, will be much more speed. Okay, even more. Yeah. Okay, we're waiting.
No.
Okay, let's try. That was it! Oh, now we can see some destruction.
Oh my gosh!
That was... Seems like guys like some crash tests. Okay, and now we have this guy and this guy as a driver and BMW i8. Yeah? You ready for it?
Yes.
Go! Yes! And nothing happened really. Oh, again! So guys, do you like the Lego figures?
Yeah.
Cool. And I like the crash test.
Yeah.
We need to do this again in some time.
I prefer the crash. Yeah.
Of course. Okay, that's it for today. Stay with us guys and bye bye.
Bye bye. Put up and don't forget to subscribe and watch us next time.
Yes.
And click the bell if you want to have notification about our videos.
Yes,
That's it.
bye-bye.
Bye.
See